Before using your product, HP recommends you upgrade it to the latest firmware. Use this list of links to find your product support page, go to the page, select Software, Drivers, and Firmware, and then download the latest firmware. Upgrade the firmware of your HP Enterprise printer from the control panel using an unencrypted USB flash drive. The following instructions work for single-function and multifunction printers. The steps vary slightly depending on the type of control panel. If you have not already downloaded the updated printer firmware, use this list of links to find your product's support page. On your computer, go to the page for your printer, navigate to the Firmware Download section, and download the latest firmware found on the support page for your printer model. Insert a USB flash drive into the USB port on your computer. Save the downloaded firmware file to the USB flash drive. Locate the USB port on your printer. Later in this process, you will insert your USB flash drive into this port. On a keypad display of the control panel home screen, shown left, use the arrow buttons to scroll to Support Tools, then press the OK button to select. On a touchscreen display of the control panel home screen, shown right, scroll to and select Support Tools. Select Maintenance. Scroll to and select USB Firmware Upgrade. When prompted to insert a storage device, insert the USB flash drive into the USB port on your printer. Select the new firmware and then select Install. Select Upgrade. The installation takes several minutes. The printer will reboot during this process automatically. With the firmware upgrade complete, print a configuration page to verify the firmware upgrade installed correctly. Your version number will be listed under the device information section. Resume printing as normal with the updated printer firmware.